Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've been wondering how to give your Wix website a fresh professional look with a custom background on every page, you're in the right place. In today's tutorial, I'm guiding you through the simple steps to add a background image to all your pages in Wix. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to set the mood and style of your site, making it way more engaging for visitors. So let's jump right in together. First things first, go ahead and open up your Wix web design dashboard. You want to be right on the main editing interface where you can see your site layout. If you're new to Wix or feeling a little unsure, don't worry. The platform is super intuitive. You'll notice a menu running along the left side of the screen. This is your main toolkit for customizing your site, and it's where all the magic happens. Now, take a closer look at that left menu and search for an option called Site Design. It might be a paintbrush icon or something similar depending on your version of Wix. Clicking on this opens up all the design settings for your entire website, not just one page. That's an important detail. By working from the Site Design area, you're making sure your changes apply across every page. And just imagine, instead of updating background images one by one for each page, this shortcut helps you create a consistent look everywhere. Next, inside the Site Design settings, you'll see an option labeled Page Background. Give that a click. Now you're entering the fun zone. This is where you can let your creativity fly. Wix makes it super easy to play around here. Whether you want a simple color background, something with gradients for a modern touch, or full-on images and video for major impact. It's a bit like choosing the wallpaper for a whole house rather than just one room. And that's why this step can really transform your visitor's first impression. Since we're focusing on background images today, take a moment to explore the image choices. Wix gives you a bunch. You can upload your own image, use one from their free media library, or import from stock photo sites. Ask yourself, what do you want your site to communicate? If you're building a portfolio, maybe a sleek, neutral background is best. But if you've got a food blog, a vibrant kitchen scene could make people hungry just looking at your site. Remember, the background image sets the tone. It's like an invitation to your visitors to stick around. When you're ready, just click on the image you want to use and hit Apply. That's really all there is to it. In just one click, your new background will automatically be added throughout your site, updating every page for a consistent look. If you don't see changes right away, give it a moment. The editor might take a little time to process, especially if you're uploading a large picture. And don't worry if it doesn't look perfect at first. You can always swap out images, adjust the settings, or play with gradients and colors until you're happy. So, that's how easy it is to add a background image to your Wix website and create a unified, visually appealing vibe across all your pages. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit that like button. It really helps out the channel. Drop any questions or ideas in the comments below. I'm always happy to help troubleshoot or give design advice. And if you want to see more simple, effective tutorials like this, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss any updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.